Hey guys, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me today. We're going to be starting off with a curly hair tutorial. I'll be adding a headband later on, but I like to start by parting my hair and putting it in a ponytail, and then I just curl the ends because most of the time I'm in a hurry. I don't have time to curl the whole thing, and it still gives that look of being really put together. So a couple suggestions here, guys. I should have added heat protectant. I was out, so I did not add that. And if you want to keep your hair from having flyaways, you might want to lightly spray with hairspray before you start. Make sure to let it dry, of course. And I also like to do my hair in smaller chunks if I want a more fitted look or a more put together look. And if I want a more carefree look, I usually do bigger chunks, or if I'm in a hurry, I do bigger chunks. It just makes it a lot easier. I like to switch the direction of my curl every once in a while just to give it a more natural look, but you can always do the same direction of curl depending on the look you're going for. So you guys can see here, I take out my ponytail and I kind of shake my fingers through it. I don't want to brush through it because that will like take away all the curls, especially because they didn't sit that long. Kind of shake it out to loosen it up. And then usually I'd spray here, but again, I wasn't going anywhere, so I did not spray, but I would if you're going out and about. One of my favorite things to do with a hairstyle like this is add some framing. I don't know what I was doing here, y'all. I was getting all confused looking in the mirror, looking in the camera. But I like to add a couple pieces around my face. My curls usually fall a little bit, so they're a little bit tighter than the rest of my hair, but it softens as the day goes on. And I would spray this afterwards too. Once you're done framing your face with the curls, you can always go back throughout your hair and touch up with a couple curls. Maybe the ends need to be fixed up a little bit. Maybe you want a little more texture in the back. You can add a couple curls so it's not as flat, and that can help with the look as well. You guys can see in the back, it's a little bit flat in the middle, so I might have added 2 or 3 curls in the back just to give it some more texture. But I was about to do another hairstyle, so I did not do that. So y'all stay tuned for this one. Mamas, can you relate to the postpartum hair loss? This tiny little ponytail was able to go through my hair. Usually I use the regular ones, but I was able to do it with this one this time. And then I just pulled out little bits to give it a little bit of volume. You can also tease it. I don't love teasing my hair. For a special occasion I will, but for this I just went ahead and just pulled it out to give it a little bit of volume. So if you want more of a soft, romantic look, you can do the style that I'm doing by just kind of lightly pinning back your curls. You can also go for a more slick back look if that's what you want, and just add that hair from the front into your original ponytail. Here you can see I just rolled the hair up and pinned it just to give it a softer look. If you want to pin it down a little bit tighter to your hair, you can, but I kind of liked that it was sticking out a little bit just for the softer look. But you can always pin it down or flare it out some more. Just depends on your style. If you don't like your bobby pins showing, you can always tuck them in underneath the hair a little bit more, or you can get bobby pins that are meant to show. There's lots of decorative bobby pins these days, so that's always an option too. As you can see here, I just went back and tightened up these curls on the side because I wanted them to be a little bit tighter. I didn't want them falling too much. I would definitely spray after this too. That will keep them in place a little bit longer. As I was getting close to finishing, I just went back and kind of pulled up a little bit more hair, again for a little more volume and texture. You can always do a sleek, slick back look, but I just wanted a little bit of volume here. So here I'm just pinning, I'm trying to spread the curls out. I don't want one side to be completely curly and the other side to be flat. So I'm just pinning it close to the base of my ponytail. And then later on you'll see that I take some pins and the loose part underneath the bun area, I just pin it up just so the hair is more secure and the curls on top have something sturdy to sit on. Again, if you guys want a more sleek, put together look, you can always do a tighter fitted bun and then do the curls on top, but I wanted something loose and romantic. That cord, you guys, do you ever get your curling iron or straightener cord stuck on a drawer hinge or knob? This happened so many times in this video. Anyways, I like to go back before I finish and just go ahead and curl anything that's a little bit loose or hanging too long and then pin it up. You guys, I am over here laughing at myself trying to put this hair clip in my hair. I was struggling, y'all. If you are still watching this, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. I enjoyed hanging out with you guys. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe as well. I'd also really appreciate it if you could leave a comment down below. I hope you all have a wonderful day. God bless.